Hey guys! My name is Tila Postate and today we have a very long overdue unboxing. So this I think is like 3 months overdue? Maybe more? I'm not sure. And I hope it's okay in there. So my weapon of choice for the day is a Nintendo stylus. Because knives are overrated. That worked really well. Turns out you could, in fact, kill a bitch with one of these. Ta-da! Okay, first things first. Go away, Pikachu. We get the free keychain because I ordered this direct from Good Smile, and so I get the little freebie. So this is our little freebie keychain, which is obviously Victor in his little coach uniform, which is obviously the same as the Nendo that I'm about to put together. So this is the man himself. My camera doesn't want to seem to focus and you can't really see him in there. So let's just unbox him. You all know the drill by now. It's like the same box as the others. It has that little snowflake decal things on it, whatever you want to call them. And it just has cute pictures of Nendo Victor and Nendo Yuri all over the box. What is this? Oh, okay. Okay. So I do keep the box, not in great condition, but like I keep them around just in case I ever want to put them away. Why I would want to do that, I don't know. Okay, so here is our adorable little boy. And he comes with a ton of accessories. There's a silver medal, there's his little coach pass, which is very cute because it's actually a photo of the Nendo version of him. Very kawaii. And this is the other faceplate, which is probably going to be the one that I'm going to use because it's cute and different from the other Nendo. So let's customize our boy. Sorry Victor, I've really got to like reveal that forehead right about now. So like if you ever wondered what's going to happen to Victor when he goes like fully bald, here's the forehead reveal. So I tried out his crossed arms pose because like I feel like that's really weird and unusual. Like, just for a Nendoroid to actually have, like, crossed arms as a figure, I feel like it's pretty unique. I feel like it's pretty odd for a Nendo, so I thought I would try that one out. But I think that maybe this is the pose that I'm gonna go with. I just really like his little shocked expression. I feel like, especially on this one, because the eyes are so wide, they have a lot of detail in them. You can really see the colour. I love the cute little blush. I think it gives so much more dimension to the face than when they're just plain, I guess. I really love the Nendos that are blushing. Much as I love Victor's, you know, suave little smirk, I have to say I really do like this much cuter, much more animated, expressive faceplate, so this is the one that I'm going to keep. And if you pair him with Yuri, and this isn't like set up or anything, this is the permanent position that I have Yuri in because I think it's adorable. But if you pair them together, this kind of tells a story, so I think I am in fact going to leave them in these positions because it's just very cute. It looks like they're interacting. I love it. I really do love Nendoroids. I have way too many, but these two are just my absolute favourite, especially paired together. They look so cute, so kawaii. So yeah, I feel like that was a much shorter unboxing than some of the other Nendos, but you know the drill by now. The Nendoroids, they look like Victor and Yuri, and I guess if you want like a more in-depth thing, there's probably like a dozen other unboxings and reviews and blah 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 that you can find on YouTube already. I just figured that I would still do this. I had it lying around, I hadn't opened it yet. I'm really late to the party on this one, but like, I mean, how late do you have to be before it's no longer fashionably late? So that's it for this video. I'm gonna go put these guys back on the shelf and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!